Credit and lending are critical components of wealth management today, and to learn more about it, I'm joined by Peter Stanton, CEO of Advisor Credit Exchange. Peter, thank you so much for joining me.
My pleasure, Shannon. It's a pleasure to be here.
So let's dive right into that topic then. Why is credit and lending such a critical component of the holistic, financial advice?
Certainly, great question. I think the short answer is it's required as part of it. It used to be in our industry kind of an accommodation. Advisors did it reactively, but fully integrated holistic wealth management has to include banking and lending. So if you don't do it, you're no longer in that primary position in the industry. So it's a must as part of wealth management.
So talk to me a little bit about the Advisor Credit Exchange. What exactly is it? What are the opportunities and benefits around it?
Sure, thank you. We figured out in what I just said about how important it is that a lot of advisors struggle to branch over into banking and lending because it's not their expertise. So what we said is we should do the work for them. So we created a platform with expertise behind it that had multiple products, multiple lenders. We pull in data and we do all the work for the advisor. So we pre-qualify the clients, we have all the rates up front. So our whole intent is to have a process that makes it so easy for the advisor to do it that they can now be proactive with lending and not be afraid of it, worried about if the client's going to get approved, what the rates are. We do all the work for them.
I was going to say, advisors already have to wear so many hats, so to have technology be able to empower them and enable them to be able to, reach that side of wealth management must be huge for them.
Excellent point, because as an industry in the past, we said, we had to train the advisor to do it. Well, like you said, the advisor's got a million things that they can do and they can't know it all. So we have to help them and do whatever we can for them to make it easier for them. And so that's what it's all about.
And let's talk about loans a little bit.
Sure.
What different types of loans, I should say, can advisors utilize with their clients through this platform?
Sure. The three that we have on the platform, which are the big three for the industry, are securities-backed loans. Straight margin has been sort of the history of the industry. This is more the non-purpose, more bank-type securities-backed loans. That's the big one. That's the first one. Real estate mortgages, residential real estate lending, that's number two. Those are the big two. And what we do offer as well, which really is, we're still the only provider really so far in the market to do it, is unsecured personal loans. We call them signature loans. Meaning you don't have to pledge anything. You just sign your name and that's how you get the loan. So those are the big three. We have a bunch of other ones we're looking at, business loans, some private bank loans that we can do off platform. And we're going to, over time, integrate more and more services on the platform. But those are the big three.
So that's a great segue to my next question. What's on the roadmap then?
The first thing on the roadmap is banking and lending is, you can't separate the two. So in addition to the loan programs, we have a banking account capability, cash management services with one of our partners, so that the advisor can now not only say I can lend you money, but you don't need your checking account at a bank because I have all the services around that. So the client can now run money with the advisor and then borrow money from the advisor. The quote unquote banking world, it can now be pulled into the wealth management world.
And are you seeing advisors embrace this side of wealth management, or is there still a little bit of hesitation because it is their expertise?
Another great question. It's a little bit of both, right? Of course, the hesitation we've been seeing for decades. It's like, I know I should, but I don't really know what to do about it. So the question is, no, the answer when they say I know I should is like, well, can we show you how we help you? And we've been very excited about the old, wow, okay, I know I need to, you're showing me how, seems pretty easy, I'll try it. If they try it, we have to deliver. And if we deliver and it works well, then they continue to do it. So that's pretty much where we are.
Well, that's fantastic. So looking forward to following you in the news a little bit more down the road here. And Peter, I thank you for your time today.
Please, my pleasure. I appreciate the opportunity.
For wealthmanagement.com, I'm Shannon Rossick.